Every time before we use the cough assist, we make sure the pressures are right. 40 and 40 when you're been doing it for a while. If you're just starting out, you start off low and build yourself up over time. We have inhale at about 1.5, we have exhale at about 1.5, and we have pause at 1. And we do 5 sets of 5. If any big globs come out while we're doing it, we stop and give her a suction. Second round. Third round. Good cough. Fourth round. Cough, Shira, come on. You make a cough? Last round. Good girl. Finish up with suctioning. We go to 9 centimeters. We use the cough assist for emergencies as well. We use it in a different way. Sometimes we use it manually during an emergency. Just flick it back and forth and try to get the plugs out. And that's it. Do you want to say bye? Do you want to say hi? Say hi. Do you want to say, my name's Shira. Ta-da! Yeah, ta-da! And that's it.